give y'all a cold start. Watch this. Hey. And then we get on inside. We put our foot on the brake. Oh, no, you gotta put the key in first, then foot on the brake, and start it. So there we go. I did the procedure wrong. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? We back, y'all. We back with another one. And today we are in a 2007 Honda Pilot EX. I think it's EX EXL, and the L stands for leather. Last time I did the video on this thing, I said long. It ain't long. Pause. It doesn't stand for long. It stands for leather. I was corrected in the comments. I looked it up and clarified, verified. It stands for leather. So anyway, we got this one back, and okay, let me stop with the car guy gibberish. We repoed this car for failure of payment. Got it back. The previous owner put quite a bit of miles on this thing, and you know, we gotta check engine light on, and I will show y'all that later on in the video. But a lot of times I know y'all just want to see me get on the highway with some of these things, so that's what I'm about to do right now. So I am currently on the back road doing about 45. You can see the check engine light on, the maintenance light is on for an oil change. So as soon as I get on the exit, on the entrance ramp, I'm gonna cut the camera back on. All right, y'all, here we go. So from a dead stop, you see getting on the interstate. This thing actually shits pretty good. It actually rides pretty good. I've been driving it for about a good 100 miles. So check the RPMs. There you go. There we go. Let's get up to speed. Let's go and get out of some people's way. This thing still got a little power behind it now. She still moves now. She still moves now. Y'all see it now. She still moves. We're gonna get to what the check engine light is. I got the code reader plugged in, so once we get over by the office, I'll plug it in. I mean, I'll cut the camera on, and then you guys can see what the codes are, because this will be a maintenance special. It does run and drive, as you can see. We are currently on the interstate rolling. We're on the interstate rolling. But I'm not gonna fix this check engine light. Like I said, this is a repo. I'm gonna sell this thing for cheap. I'm gonna sell it at a mechanic special. I'm gonna sell it at a budget buy. You guys have been asking for $2,500 cars. Well, here you go. So you live in a non-emissions county, or you live outside the state of Georgia, you can get this car. But I will not. I repeat, I will not be fixing anything on here. I will go over what I know is wrong with it. I'm telling you, it's gonna be $2,500, and we can go from there. So I'm in the car wash, and I figured this would be a good time for me to run the codes for you. So you see the check engine light is still on. Hopefully the camera's picking this up. I can't really see it through my screen. Come on now. There we go. Is this a Honda? Yes. So we have one that's not ready yet, and the rest are ready. We have a 430, P0430 stored, and a 420 stored, 430 pending, and another 420 pending. And we're waiting on the EV for the emissions. So those are the codes. Haven't erased them. Don't plan on erasing them. Gonna sell it like it sits. This is your opportunity to get it before I just send this thing to the auction, man. So I'm taking any reasonable offers. You come with the $1,000, $500, and all that other crap, man. Hey, man, just save it. I'm just gonna clown you in the next video. So unless you want to get clowned in the next video, because I will say your name and I will clown you. I'll do my own little research and I'll find you. Okay, but enough of that. I'm gonna go ahead and watch the outside of it, and then I'm gonna park it, get some pictures, and then I'll do the normal walk around and tell you what I know that's wrong with it, and we'll go from there, man. All right, ladies and germs, so we were back on the road, just on the regular streets like normal. Here we go. We already rolling. We didn't drive. Everything works on here. Well, no, everything doesn't work. And when I get to this walk around real quick, I'm gonna do that. But I just want you guys to see how it is, which is regular regular normal stop and go driving, man. Excuse me, man. I'm recovering from a cold, so excuse me. So I'm stopping right here. Stops well. Please stop. No stuttering and stop, nothing like that. Coolant temp is a little low. Might need a new thermostat. It should be at the halfway mark. I don't know. Y'all correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. The wrench light is on for the oil change. Checking in the light, we went over that. It's got a little bit of fuel in it. The mileage is 217,404. 404 like Atlanta. We got the JVC radio. This thing's got plenty of 12-volt outlets. So it's one right here. You got this one plugged in here. So I got my phone plugged in one. I got my AirPods plugged in one. This is for four-wheel locking your four-wheel drive. This is your climate control right here. So we got the fan all the way up. It's on defog and feet right now. Put it to auto. It'll adjust to the temperature that you have. This is your rear control right here. This is off. Heated seats. We're taking off as much as you see it. So we don't have no transmission issues. None of that stuff. But we do have a check engine light on. Okay, y'all, we back. So we made it over here to the office, and here's the walkway. Let's go. Let's go. A little bit of bumper damage right there. As you see, the lights work. Fog lights work. Bumper damage on the other side. None of that affects drivability. Tires are in okay shape. This tent really should come off because it's already peeling. But the window works. I just had it down because I don't like locking myself out. Power mirrors, leather, power seats, all that good happy horse stuff. You guys seen this part already, so here we go. This thing does need a good detail, and as you know, I love the sunroof, but I haven't opened it since I got it back. So let's tilt it and see. So tilt works. Let's see if it'll slide back. Slides all the way back. That's freaking awesome. Because that would have been embarrassing. There we go. We got the home link up here. This thing's got plenty of 12-volt outlets. So there's one there, I believe. Open armrest. There's one in there. There's one in the back of the armrest right here. I can pull it around to the back. Holders. There's that other 12-volt outlet right there. Temperature control. You control in the rear. Seats fold flat. Lift it up. They also recline. Back. They slide forward and back. Try to do this with one hand. Drop that down. We got the third row that apparently not many people have used. Got some rust right there on the quarter panel. It is four-wheel drive. Y'all see that, right? Four-wheel drive. I mean, all four wheels all the time. Shocks on this hatch do need to be replaced. I mean, hey, you mentioned this toolkit, you can have it. Third row folds down. Go right there. A little bit of bumper damage right here. Some rust in the other corner. This is the other side of the rear passenger. Seat does fold down. Them rear seats are in great shape. Headliner is falling. This window, that's what I forgot. This window, it's off track. You see how I got cardboard and stuff shoved in there to hold the window up? In that window, the regulator, you can hear it go up and down, so it might be off track, but this one needs one for sure. Passenger side, window works just fine. Got the seats. We went over this, but the AC operates just fine, comes on. We'll fan up so y'all can hear it. Radio works. Had it on a different source. Let's see if I can find the radio. Definitely. There you go. You got sound, no music. This right here is pretty cool. This is your compass. So we're currently facing north by the blue light, and it also has backup sensors that are audible inside the vehicle when you're backing up. I can put 2 new tires on here, new battery. That's 3.5 VTEC. Probably could use an oil change. The battery I just replaced. What else? Fan just kicked on. All right, all that. So what's wrong with it, Chris? I know it need pads and rotors in the rear. So pads and rotors in the rear. The P430 and 420. Window regulators in the rear. And CV half shaft on the passenger side front. It is definitely needs to be replaced. Other than that, man, you still got a good car for $2,500, man. So don't ask me what it is. The $2,500 the best offer. The first $2,500 you can come get it. Non-emissions county if you're in Georgia, or if you out of state. So if you live in Alabama, Florida, whatever, just come get it, man. Free and clear title. So this is it right here. You go ahead and cut the camera on because I got some pictures to take. I'm Chris with McMath Autos. You can reach us at 404-719-8355 or McMath Autos on all social media platforms. Peace.